Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can add a recorded audio to your project in the CapCut apps. So for instance, I open my project, so there is a video here. To add the recorded audio, it's super simple. Just click audio and then select voice over. Just press and hold to record. For example, hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. Click check mark after you're done, and you can select voice effect to add the effect to your voice. Just click check mark and just listen to your recording. Yeah, just listen. You record it, and after done, you are just going to click on it, and you can adjust for the volume. You can add the pad in, pad out, and you can add the voice effect. So you can reduce noise, you can adjust for the speed, and then add the beat. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.